Unlock the incredible potential of your body's master stem cells. Join us on an exciting journey into the world of Stemtech, where groundbreaking research and patented products converge to revolutionize your health and well-being. Stemtech stands tall, driven by an unrelenting passion for research and transforming lives.
We invite you to dive deep into the awe-inspiring world of stem cells, the master stem cells residing in your bone marrow.
Prepare to be captivated as we unveil the remarkable discoveries and patented breakthroughs that have become the cornerstone of our identity. Let's get to the core of it: master stem cells.
Nestled deep within your bone marrow, these extraordinary cells hold the key to your body's rejuvenation and healing. Basically architects of your body's repair system, responsible for rebuilding and rejuvenating damaged tissues, organs, and more.
Stemtech has dedicated years of rigorous research to understand their potential fully. We don't just stop at understanding, we innovate. We proudly hold patents that unlock the secrets of master stem cells like never before. These patents are not just pieces of paper, they represent countless hours of dedication from our brilliant scientists and researchers. The world of Stemtech research, where each discovery leads to groundbreaking products designed to harness the power of your master stem cells. But what truly sets Stemtech apart is our unwavering dedication to turning research into reality. We don't just gather data, we transform it into cutting-edge products that can revolutionize your health and vitality. Our products are meticulously crafted to bring out the full potential of your master stem cells, ensuring you experience the benefits firsthand. Our relentless pursuit of scientific excellence, our patents that unlock the secrets of master stem cells, and our commitment to transforming research into tangible products all combine to make Stemtech a game-changer in the world of stem cell technology. So, are you ready to harness the incredible power of your body's master stem cells? We'll unlock a world of boundless possibilities for your health and vitality.